Friends, have you ever wondered what it truly takes to change the world? Most people dream big but give up when things get hard. But there was one man who didn't just dream, he created dreams for others. A man who turned technology into art. A man who turned ideas into revolutions. Yes, I'm talking about Steve Jobs, the founder of Apple, a visionary, and one of the greatest innovators of our time. Today, we'll explore the 5 golden rules of success by Steve Jobs. Rules that can turn your life around if you truly live by them. So sit back, listen carefully, and let these principles ignite your passion and purpose. Rule 1. Follow your passion, do what you love. Steve Jobs once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." And that's the first rule, follow your passion. Steve Jobs dropped out of college not because he was lazy, but because he didn't want to waste time on things that didn't excite him. He followed his curiosity instead. He attended calligraphy classes, learned design, and explored creativity. Things that had no career value at that time. But years later, these very lessons shaped Apple's design. Beautiful fonts, elegant user interfaces, and that sense of perfection we all see in Apple products. When Steve started Apple, he had no money, no big office, no investors. Only a vision to make technology simple, beautiful, and accessible for everyone. He worked day and night because he loved what he was doing. He didn't chase money, he chased purpose. If you love what you do, success will follow automatically. But if you do something just because others expect it, you'll never feel fulfilled. Ask yourself, do I love what I'm doing right now? If not, start exploring. Because when you follow your passion, you stop working, you start living. Rule 2. Think different, be unique. Apple's most iconic slogan was, "Think different." And that's exactly what Steve Jobs believed in. He said, "Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking." When everyone was building computers for offices, Steve said, "Why can't every person have a computer at home?" When others focused on just technology, Jobs focused on experience. How the product feels, how it looks, and how it connects with people. He didn't want to build gadgets. He wanted to build tools for the mind and heart. That's why every Apple product, from the iMac to the iPhone, feels different, looks different, and inspires difference. Don't be afraid to be different. The world celebrates originality, not imitation. People might call your ideas crazy. They might laugh, criticize, or reject you. But remember, all great minds were once called crazy. When you think different, you open doors that others can't even see. So don't follow the crowd. Let it. Be bold enough to create your own path, just like Steve Jobs did. Rule 3. Stay hungry, stay foolish, keep learning, keep growing. At Stanford University's graduation ceremony, Steve Jobs gave one of the most powerful messages ever. Stay hungry, stay foolish. These 4 words define his entire philosophy of life. Stay hungry means never stop chasing growth. Be hungry for knowledge, innovation, and improvement. Stay foolish means never assume you know everything. Always stay curious and open-minded like a beginner. After being fired from Apple, yes, the company he built, Jobs didn't give up. He started 2 new ventures, Next and Pixar. Pixar went on to create Toy Story, the world's first full-length computer animated film. And the lessons from Next helped Apple become even stronger when he returned. No matter how successful you become, never stop learning. Never stop exploring. The moment you think you've made it, you start to fall behind. Real success belongs to those who are always hungry to grow. Always foolish enough to dream bigger. Be a lifelong learner. Ask questions. Stay curious. And keep reinventing yourself. That's the true spirit of stay hungry, stay foolish. Rule 4. Focus on quality. Excellence is everything. Steve Jobs was a perfectionist. A man obsessed with quality. He once said, "Be a yardstick of quality." Some people aren't used to an environment where excellence is expected. For him, good was never enough. Only great mattered. Every Apple product, whether it's the iPhone, MacBook, or iPad, shows his obsession with perfection. He used to tell his team, even if no one sees the back of a cabinet, make it beautiful. Because you will know it's there. That's what made Apple products different. They weren't just machines, they were masterpieces. Whatever you do, do it with excellence. If you're studying, give your best. If you're working, make your work your signature. Don't aim for average, aim for extraordinary. Because when you focus on quality, you don't just build products, you build a reputation. Success is temporary, but excellence lasts forever. Rule 5. Never give up, believe in yourself. The story of Steve Jobs is not just about success. It's about resilience. He was born to an unmarried mother, given up for adoption, dropped out of college, and was even thrown out of his own company, Apple. But he never gave up. He said, "Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith." He used failure as fuel. When he left Apple, he didn't sit and cry. He built Pixar and Next, 2 companies that changed industries forever. And when Apple needed him back, he returned and changed the world again. With iPod, iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. Never let failure define you. Let it refine you. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every fall is an opportunity to rise stronger. Life will test you. People will doubt you. But if you believe in yourself and keep going, you will win, just like Steve Jobs did. He once said, "Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Live your life, fight for your dreams, and never give up." So, friends, these were Steve Jobs' 5 rules of success. Keycap 1. Follow your passion. Keycap 2. Think different. Keycap 3. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Keycap 4. Focus on quality. Keycap 5. Never give up. If you live by these 5 principles, you won't just achieve success. You'll create a legacy. Remember, the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Thanks.